Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. So today we are from process scheduling group, which is group 12 will be explain about our prototype that we already do at final project of operating systems. So first of all, I will explain like what is a scheduling. So scheduling is one or more rules, mechanism, and procedure in operating system that involve the kernel, applications, and processes, which is related to the sequence of work performed by computer and computer systems, which is the scheduling here is in any operating system. So the scheduling is done so that the queuing process that can be carried out correctly and efficiently. And then while doing this project, we are doing at the Google Meet, and several times we are doing in the Zoom meeting too. So okay, the objective of this project is to deliver an advanced comprehension regarding this subject with the topic of process scheduling, which is, as we know, it's divided into three, which is SGF, SRTF, and priority that will be implemented through real-world application as the case study. And our group will be applying this topic to a cinema ticket booking systems, where the platform that will be used in Canva. So, okay, so let me come up to the first prototype of our project. So this is gonna be the landing pages of our prototype, which is Ticket Fest. So we can see here there is a lot of things that we can do, but this is only the landing pages. So we can go directly to another feature before we go to the main page. So in this case, for example, the user want to sign up at first because they didn't have any account for using our website applications. So for example, the user should sign up at first. Okay, and after they click the sign up pages, it will be a lot of things that the user should be filled, which is divided into they should fill their name, their email, their password, and the date of birth. And for example, the user it's already filled their name, they will be go directly to the sign up. Okay, so it counts that they already do the sign up session. So after they click the sign up, they will be go directly to the sign in pages, which is they only have to fill their email and password that have been registered at the previous prototype. So for example, they already fill here the name like Jera Martins and they fill their password, they will be go directly to the sign in button. Okay, so this is the short video before we go to the landing, before we go through the main pages, and we can skip by click this icon. And yeah, this is our first main pages. This is our main pages of our systems. So as we see here that there is a lot of information like on what is the movie that on show right now. And then yeah, we can go, for example, the user want to book the ticket. So they can go directly to book your ticket now. Okay, so before we are going to book our ticket, we should be choose at first like which theater that we want to watch a movie. So in this case, the user want to watch a movie at the Capitol Theater at Johor Bahru. So they should be choose the cinemas at first. Okay, after they have choose the cinema, they will be faced a lot of the list of the movie that on show right now, which is we can see here there are Harry Potter, Venom, Kingsman, and Spider-Man. And in this case, for example, the user want to watch a Spider-Man movie. So we can go directly click the Spider-Man movie, and it will be show the synopsis at first after we click the movie before of the movie that we want to watch. So this is the synopsis of the Spider-Man. And when the user is, oh, I think this movie is suitable for me to watch, and they want to book their ticket, they can go directly click this button, which is book your ticket now. Okay, and this one, it will be explained by my friends Joe.
Hello everyone, my name is ZHOU CHENXING. So here, as you can see, here's the time available and also the classes. You can see we have regular 2D and Star U 2D and the Golden Class 2D. So here we have list all the time that you can choose. So we have 12, 15, 8, and then you can choose which time suits you. So let's move to the next page. And after you choose your time, and you can see here for the red icon, which means the seat is unavailable. And if you want to choose your seat, you can choose the icon which is green. And after you choose your seat, you navigate to the service. You got two options, which got the premium package and the normal package. And there's some like offers for the premium package. You got a discount for 5 tickets and movie news and also free tickets, which takes 10 ringgit and 95 per month. And for the normal package, there's only two options. There's only two offers, which is discount for 2 tickets and the movie news. And after, it's okay if you don't want to purchase these two offers. So after you have choose your seat, it will navigate to you the payment. Please go to the next page. So here we have several methods to pay your ticket. You can use PayPal or Visa or MasterCard and also other bank. First, you have to put your name and the card number and the expired date and the CVV and also your country. And after you fill all the information and you click pay, and then you will receive the receipt, confirm payment, and it will show you the payment ID and also date, time, seats, and the cinema, and also the movie you chose, and also the price, quality. And then after this, you click the pay now, and it will show you navigate to this page, which says success. So you have paid your payment and you will receive your ticket. So I pass my turn to my next member.
Okay.
Thank you, Joe. My name is Ahmad Kemal, and I will be explaining about the SRT scheduling implementation. We can go to the next page. SRT scheduling, okay, thank you. So SRT scheduling is processor allocated to the job closest to completion. Okay, thank you. As you can see here, the movies act as the process, and duration act as the CPU burst, and the start time act as arrival time. So we have 4 movies: Spider-Man, Kingsman, Harry Potter, and Venom, and their respective duration and their start time. So the implementation of SRT scheduling is first here, the movie of Spider-Man will be processed first until 10 CPU bursts. After that, Kingsman also 10 CPU bursts. After that, Harry Potter will be processed with 50 CPU bursts because it has the shortest remaining time. After that, the Kingsman movie will be processed with 50 CPU bursts as well. And then the Spider-Man movie will be processed as the CPU bursts remaining 80. And then the last one is Venom that has the longest CPU burst remaining time. Okay, next page. We will be looking at the average turnaround time and the waiting time. So the average turnaround time, as we know, it is the time of finished job minus the start of job. You can see here, it will be divided by 4, and we can see the average turnaround time for the process SRT is 168.75 minutes, and then the average waiting time is the time of the process will be wait to be processed. And we can see for processes divided by 4, and then the equal is 90 minutes. Okay, I will be passing the next scheduling process to AQILA DAFFA. Will be explaining about the SGN.
Okay. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad AQILA KARINDRA DAFFA, and I will explain about SGN, scheduling implementation, or maybe we can say also as SGF. Okay. SGN means the shortest job next, or SGF, shortest job first. Okay. In this process, we will use the length to schedule the process with the shortest time. Okay. As we can see in the screen, okay, there are 4 people, and also the process we can say as tickets. Okay, first KEMAL, the first person is KEMAL. KEMAL book 5 tickets, and then AQILA is me, 2 tickets, Fikar 6 tickets, and Vero 4 tickets. Okay, we can see the arrival time. AQILA, the waiting time is 0, and also SAVERO 2, and KEMAL 6, and Fikar 11. Okay, maybe we can go to the next page. Okay, after that, there are 2 average that we can get. Okay, the average waiting time, we calculate this for burst time or CPU burst before KEMAL, AQILA, Fikar, Vero, 6 plus 0 plus 11 plus 2, and then we divide it by 4, equals to 4.75, and also the average time, the average turnaround time, maybe I will explain again. Can you go back maybe, Fikar, to the screen before? Or if cannot, okay. Okay, the turnaround means that the first time is minus our finish time. So my turnaround time, for example, for AQILA will be 2, SAVERO will be 6, KEMAL will be 11, and Fikar will be 17. It means that 2 minus 0, Vero 6 minus 0, KEMAL 11 minus 0, and Fikar 17 minus 0. We can go to the next page again. Okay, that one. After we get the turnaround time for each person, we can divide it by 4 because there are 4 people, and then it will give the result as 9. Okay, I think that's all for SGN, and I will be passed to the next process scheduling priority with SAVERO.
Okay, thank you, AQILA. So my name is SAVERO, and I will presenting the next scheduling process. The next scheduling process we have is priority scheduling. Priority scheduling is another method of scheduling process that is based on priority. In this algorithm, the scheduler will select the task to work as per priority. So we can see on the screen here that we have 3 priorities. So the golden class has the highest priority, and then the starium class has the second highest priority, and the regular class has the lowest priority. So it won't be matter how many tickets KEMAL, AQILA, or Fikar bought here, or the time that they bought the ticket. The process will do it based on this class that the scheduler selects at first. So can you go to the next page? Okay, thank you. For the priority scheduling implementation, average round time and average waiting time, we add all the average turnaround time, and we all add all the turnaround time and then divide it by 3. So for the average turnaround time is 5 plus 7 plus 13 divided by 3 is 8.3. And then for the waiting time, it's 0 plus 5 plus 7 divided by 3, it's 4. I think that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass it to Fikar for the closing of our presentation.
Okay, so that's all about our presentation regarding the operating system project. So as we can see before that our prototype is focused to the booking management system at the cinema, and then it's already explained by my friend, which is the process scheduling, which is divided into 3. So yeah, I think that's all about our presentation. Thank you for the attentions, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.